Good morning. Welcome to my channel Travel with Ram. Today it is an important day since the channel Travel with Ram has clocked 20,000 subscribers with all your support. Thank you very much, viewers and subscribers, for making this happen. It has been a wonderful and a remarkable journey since only in March this year we had actually done 10,000 subscribers, and within a short span of just 7 months we have now reached 20,000 subscribers, and of course with all your support this has happened. I hope you have been enjoying whatever that I have brought to you so far, but on this important day I would like to hear from you as to what more you would like to see from my channel. Use the comment column freely to express your opinion and thoughts. And now watch this awesome video of ALCO Part 4, specially designed for you and brought to you. Enjoy the video. Thank you and see you soon again. Have a great day. Another awesome ALCO compilation, onboard 12677 to Salem. The locomotive today is Twin WDM3A belonging to Erode Shed. These are two rebuilt locos, and you can see the R symbol on the 16850. We have just left Omalur Junction and we are approaching Salem Junction, and we are entering the lower end of the S curve as we approach Salem Junction. You can clearly see the twin WDM3As. We are now on the right segment of the S curve as we enter the Mainline. This is where we join the trunk line from Chennai Central, Jolarpettai, Salem Erode line, which is a double electrified section. We are on the Bangalore to Salem single diesel section. This actually cut short the distance between Bangalore and Salem by nearly 60 kilometers. You can see the eruption on the diesel locomotives as we approach, and as the loco pilot gives the thrust from an idling to power. The smoking ALCOs are always a delight to watch. We are now on to the main line, taking the left curve so that we can get onto the left line. We are on the main line. Now approaching is a freight train hauled by Erode Shed mate 14671 WDG3A. You can hear the chugging, and then you can now see the smoke of the Salem is a very important junction, and Salem is home to Salem Steel Plant, and also you alight here for the Yercaud hill station, which is very popular among people here. Salem is also very famous for the Salem mangoes, and in fact the Chennai Salem Superfast is called the Mango Express. A very important city and also a junction on the Chennai Central Ernakulam section. From Salem, the next junction is Erode, where you have both the diesel and the electric loco sheds located, and Erode has the distinction of the only place where both the loco sheds are located. Thank you for watching and see you soon again. and subscribe to my channel.